Do you want to know how to expel someone from your private server and grow a garden? In this video, I'll show you step by step. First, leave the game. If you prefer not to, you can also do this from the Roblox website or from another device like your phone or iPad. Select Grow a Garden, but don't click Play. Instead, click the Social button and choose Join Friends. On mobile, select Grow a Garden, tap the Social button at the bottom, and choose Join Friends. Find your private server, click the three dots, and select Configure. Under Friends Allowed, turn this option off. If the unwanted player shows up in the member list, click the X next to their name to remove them. If they're on your friends list, you'll also need to disable the Friends Allowed option or remove them as a friend so they can't rejoin. Keep in mind that turning off Friends Allowed will stop all friends from joining, unless you add them manually to the server list. When you're done, click the Back button to return to the server page. Open the three dots again and select Close this server. This will disconnect everyone and remove the unwanted player. Now just click Join to get back into your server and play normally. And that's it! You now know how to expel someone from your private server in Grow a Garden. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like.